Okay, so noted ka ang last ko nga video, no? So this will be the continuation on the degree of the quotient. So yung 3 na to came from the dividend of 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 5x. So yung highest degree is 3. Then yung 1 is from divisor, which is x minus 2, which is naka-raise sa 1. So 3 minus 2, that is equal to 2. And then based sa atin result sa synthetic division, we have this one, 2, 4, 13, 28. So yung 2 na yan, etong 2 will be the first coefficient with an x squared na numerical or variable, then followed by 4x, 13x, there must be an x there, sorry, wala na pala. So 4x, 13 plus etong remainder na 28. Okay, so let's have an additional example using synthetic division. So let's consider itong 2m squared minus 13m minus 16, and that is divided by m plus 3/2. So pwede naman natin gamitin dito yung long division, no? So let's make it na lang, and note that squared dito 1 and 0. So this one, it means naka-align na to. That is correct. So we don't need to add anymore sa mga 0x or 0m or whatever there. So let's solve this one first using long division. Sorry, 13 to minus 13m minus 16, and this one divided by m plus 3/2. So first term again, we will divide this to this one. So 2m squared divided by m, that is 2m, then multiply again this 2m saka m, and that is 2m squared, and eto multiply natin si 2m kay 3/2 na 2m times 3/2, that is 3m. So plus 3m, then like kahapon, last video, so inverse ito, yan. Then we have this one 0. So ito magiging negative 16m, tapos down negative 16, and then 16m divided by m, and we have negative 16. So negative 16 times m, we have negative 16m times negative 16 sa 3/2 na to, then negative 16m, this will become negative, okay, so 3/2, so 48, magiging 24 na yan. Okay, and then reverse natin to, inverse, I mean positive tapos positive. So we have 0 to, then positive 8. Okay, so therefore our solution is ito, 8, then divided by m plus 3/2. So using synthetic division, we have, so take note, 2, negative 13 and 16, and then yung m plus 3/2, so therefore we have this m is equal to negative 3/2. So try natin yan. Yung constant ng 2m squared mo, note that 2m squared minus 13m minus 16 So yung kukunin lang natin is yung constant. Ito dala yung mga yung sign na. So take note, ito negative, so negative 3 halves, then 2, negative 13, negative 16. Oops. Yan. So ito negative 3 halves, bring down yung muna tong 2 dito, so down, then after that one, negative 3 halves times 2 will negative 3, then add this negative 13 to negative 3, so negative 16, then negative 16 times this one, negative 3 halves, so we will have positive 48 divided by 2, and that is positive 24, and then add negative 16 and 24, and you will have positive 8. Then the quotient, the degree of the quotient is, since as you can see dito, ito naka-squared and ito 1 lang yan, so you have 2 minus 1 degree. Lagay ko na lang dito dq, that is a degree of a quotient, and that is 2 minus 1. So ibig sabihin yung pinakamataas na degree ng quotient mo is 1. So dito we will have, actually pwede na yung lagay dyan m, tapos yan minus 16 plus ka dito, tapos 8, tapos m plus 3 half, and this is the solution, which is the same using the long division. Yan, kung tignan mo, yan, ito and ito. Okay, so that's it for the operation of polynomials, and we will continue our discussion on assets.